Oh, tuli eno ku Gabriel Wabba collections. Tuli mu kushooting akalango naye bitabuse. Okay, akanokero shooting akekano aka BA collection fashion show yagenda beerawo nga mukaaga musanvu na munaana wano wennyini opposite eddwaliro baliyita Kampala Independent Hospital. So we have seen the herself ali mukuba akola akalango ne nappi naye bitabuse. Sikulipti muganda wange, but regardless tugenda kuba tukakola nappi wuuyo. Very funny. Kirabye bakashooting emirundi nga munaana sindi ng'akola bw'atyo. Enseko ziba zimutta. Ayagala nnyo bintu byakubeera serious. Kati laba ono very disorganized. Cartoon.
He has never been serious.
Okay, batugambye action. So tukoze Nation Stars exclusive.
Definitely the king herself. Now, like I was saying, between the 6th and the 8th of December, we're having the Gabriel Fashion Festival. It's going to be super amazing. Don't miss it. I'm going to be performing alongside the best of the best in the city, and it's going to be free. Come and experience fashion, experience a really good time. So don't miss us at the Gabriel Fashion Festival from the 6th to the 8th of December, right here at Emesa. No!
Complex.
I almost said Emesa Mall.
She was good. Your reaction was
I know, right?
Yes, it was good. But you were covering the first time.
Yeah, well,
Is it okay if,
let me see. Can I see? Okay. Then I have to come from there.
Yeah.
So tugenda kuba tuddamu ayogedde location Kampala Independent Hospital ku Emesa bagiyita Emesa complex. Okay.
Definitely the king herself. Now, like I was saying, from the 6th of the 8th of December, we're having a 3-day Gabriel Fashion Festival right here at Emesa complex opposite Kampala Independent Hospital in Tinda. Don't miss it because it's going to be super amazing, and everything is for free. Imagine a 3-day event, and it's beautiful. It's going to be great. So he's going to be there, and I'm going to be there alongside the best of the best in the city. From the 6th to the 8th is the Gabriel Fashion Festival, and we are here at the Mesa Complex, opposite in Kampala Independent Hospital. Be there!
That's nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Finally singa akikoze. Bibadde bya.
Don't put this on TV. My friend.
It works, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Toli muntu kwa kikinga. Omanyi kola bya ddala.
No, I didn't know how to end. Then I'm like, I'm like, you know, I don't know how to be nice.
It was nice. It was nice. It was nice.
Why are you looking at me? It's not me, oh. It's not me, oh. Don't let me come here. Here's the cola. Ebaddeko.
Very nice.
Chakula. Waduka kwa tayari sana.
Ndugu wangu peke.
Uko poa?
Mbaya mama, sina kwanga. Magumu. Iko za mingi nasema uvale tu ya black and white.
Gani?
Yeah.
Regarde, c'est un chien entraîné par l'armée.
Donc,
C'est la loyauté et la force du chien.
Na easy. Mzuri sana. Na easy. Na jacket on
Nini ndani? Niwache hii ndani?
Utaacha itafanya. Mimi napenda uvale hii. Hii. Yaani hii.
Okay. Sasa nivae hii na hii. Niwache hii ndani. Haya, alafu natia hii ama natia. Haya.
Nilibeba nguo mingi anasema uvale tu na makala katu mbili. No, take.
Unaona wewe ndio designer.
No, mniambie kama hivi. Wewe unanifunga sana hapana.
Mimi hapana.
Afanye. Mimi naona hivi job nzuri nguo ndani unaona.
Ya ndani.
Mama, uko na
Which?
Yes. Do that. Banaonesha banavalisha ndio kingi hivi.
Sio kanyamu kuvitie papa.
Non c'est non. Des glaces, hein, please.
Where is Nappy?
It's okay.
Yeah, but it's so
No problem. Take the glass. Bakutengeneza kwanza. Naona inafaa manini.
Analeta. You have a comb?
Yeah.
Yeah, just to make hair straight.
Yes.
Muri muchanga mombozeko.
Boreka.
Uri muchanga mu.
Mbaduse mundaba.
Teli. Awo.
Pima na hii uone vile itatoka.
Hii mzuri. Sasa tusikie ile.
Yes, but let him use another phone to do it. Which one?
Ndizi moja kidogo. Ndio ishanguke.
Brush kwenye nywele. Ikae mzuri. Soka kole mbili.
Bakube nalongo totira muntu kuliiso yuza nalongo
Mule bazibu.
toba kubowa You are making history, Cindy. Yeah, this is history in the making.
Kale nze tojja kunjubisa
Cindy ayimbisa
bw'otutaata.
gono. Ayimbanga nyooza.
Okay. I think I'm ready.
Yeah.
So who's shooting the ad?
I will.
Are you ready, eh? Omaze cutaways. Yes, Ugambye wano wenyini. Oba tugende.
Yes.
Where do you want it?
She will come here. First she talk here.
Yeah.
After she come in front.
Yeah.
After you do outside.
Okay.
She has to walk.
Yeah, she will walk. You go.
But I will talk from outside.
Here is good. Inside.
I talk from the advert, I do it from here. Akunkwatanga ntambula. Wewe ngwa.
Just be calm.
Kale. Tugende?
Yeah.
bya bulijjo.
Kaka kanyamba information gwe mwerabire.
Yes.
Olina background ya light ekolera.
Light area.
Kole linda ko sina sala. Kole bumpati.
Ella.
Singa. Shorty make a boom party. Pull my body, babe. Let's make a boom party. And what's up, people? This is Cindy Babe. It's definitely the king herself. Now, from the 6th to the 8th of December, we have the Gabriel Bar Fashion Festival. Don't miss it. It's going. Wait. I'll be performing. Emesa.
Yes.
It's at Emesa Complex.
Whoa, quick.
Olaba independent ensoma wali just eddwaliro wiri Kampala Independent Hospital.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to be performing alongside the best of the best in the city. At Yarafuna Engagement Present at Emesa Complex, opposite Kampala Independent Hospital. Okay, shawty make a boom party, pull my body, babe. Let's make a boom party. And what's up, people? This is Cindy Babe. It's definitely the king herself. Now, from the 6th to the 8th of December, we have the Gabriel Bar Fashion Festival, and it's happening at Emesa Complex opposite Kampala Independent Hospital. I'm going to be performing alongside the best of the best in the city, and the best part is for free. So, come Cindy Babe.
Katonda wange.
Thank you. I think all the info is in, eh?
So don't forget, nothing will come disturbing you.
When?
Soon.
Oh, you're going to make it happen now?
Outside, we are doing it inside outside.
Outside. They're disturbing.
I want to see how she's work. I want to see the come. I want to come from inside. They open you. Walk.
Where am I going? Let's
Start
plan
here.
it. I'm walking to where?
Here.
Yeah, up to where?
Up to here. Here. Up to here.
Then I stand where? I can stop here.
So when I want to put your thing here. Where is it?
Ozagala. Ozagala?